Hey guys, so welcome to my channel. To my current subscribers, thank you for being subscribed, and for potential subscribers, you're probably watching this because I've set this as my channel trailer, or I will be setting this as my channel trailer. What I want to talk about is I want to just thank my current subscribers. I'm almost up to 40,000 subscribers on my channel, and that's crazy. When I first started posting videos on this channel a few years ago, I just did it for fun. I just figured, hey, if there's stuff that I'm interested in, maybe other people would be interested in it. And apparently it's true. I've done a few video series on how to make surfboards. I've done videos on how to build cooking equipment, such as smokers, a wok station, a homemade griddle, which is totally rocking. I really love that thing. It makes awesome smash burgers. And I recently just posted a really weird video on how to make a beer keg pizza oven of all things, which seems to be well received as well. So this channel is just a little bit of everything on how to make stuff, or maybe even things that I'm interested in and you guys might be interested in, or other people would be interested in, I should say. Anyways, it's mostly either going to be, this channel has stuff on how to build stuff, how to fix stuff, or just building kind of neat or interesting things that I think are interesting. I also got a new Metal Lathe that's just over here that I haven't really had a chance to play with, but I plan on hopefully making some videos on maybe learning how to use that. I haven't had a lot of time to play with it. I plan on making more surfboards for those of you who have found my channel because of surfboard building. Some of the most popular videos are actually how to make a ring of all things, and I posted, and I guess those videos are really popular because there's probably a lot more people interested in how to make a ring than my video series on how to make a surfboard, because, well, I guess surfboard building is kind of a niche market. Where's this channel going? Well, I'm just going to continue posting videos of the same sort. I only do this for fun. I'm not trying to be a YouTuber by any means. I just want to post stuff that you guys might find interesting, that I find interesting, because I'm doing this for fun. If it becomes a chore, becomes a job, I'm not going to do it. So, stuff that I want to do on this channel also is I want to share my cooking videos with you guys as well. I really have a passion for cooking. I really like food. I really like making food. I've made some cooking appliances on my channel, a wok station griddle as I mentioned, and this beer keg pizza oven thing. And I just like to cook different types of food, so I plan on posting videos on how to make food as well. So if you guys are interested in that, that's awesome. I know not everyone's interested in cooking or cooking videos, so if you're not, stay subscribed. I will have more just general build videos, maybe surfboard building videos in the future, or just anything in between. So this channel really doesn't have a lot of focus. It's just kind of a little of everything. I also plan on posting more travel videos when I do get around to traveling. I'm planning on a trip later in the year that's pretty big over in Asia, so I'm going to document that as well and share that with you guys. So this channel is just a little of everything, of stuff that I'm interested in. So I really want to thank my current subscribers for watching my videos and subscribing, and I'm gonna have more videos, and this channel's just not really gonna change, but I thought, hey, because I'm almost hitting 40,000 subscribers, what the hell, I should just post a video just to kind of say where this channel's going, because I really didn't have a lot of focus for this channel, and I have a little more focus now, but it's really just me just posting stuff I like to do, what interests me, and hopefully it interests you guys as well. So I really appreciate all you guys' continued support and watching my videos, and I will be posting more videos in the near future. So thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.